So what's up everyone, or how you guys doing? I'm just getting off of work. Got off of work 2 hours early, so I only did 10 hours today. Usually I do my 12 to 14 hours, but I'm working tomorrow, which will be Saturday. I'll be doing either 12 hours, and I will be picking up some VIP wheels for the XB. So gonna get these Tee to Benny's car until I can get him the TRD wheels, so at least he has something nice. And then Stephon, I gave him my work wheels for his Integra, so eventually I'll get those guys, the boys, you know, their cars with some rear wheels, and I'll roll reps. It's okay. I'd rather see my kids do their thing, and we'll make it work. But yeah, so I am heading to iPick It's like, I guess, the smaller but yet nicer cars in Stockton. I think it's like $4 to get in now. There was a release on an XB that dropped. I think it's been there for 2 weeks now, and I'm just finally having some time to actually go there. So I'm gonna head over there. I got to get 2 headrests for the rear seats for Benny's car, or for his XB. And I'll see what else they got. If anything good, then I'll get it for his car. If not, then just get the headrest and keep moving. And then we'll check out, you know, things inside the yard as well. Most likely, I know for sure I need to get the fuse cover, the back seat headrest. Oh yeah, the back seat of his car is actually the part that pulls, that drops the seat. That part's bent. So I don't know how to replace it, so I might actually have to just get the whole passenger side back seat. And yeah, so we'll see. I gotta check it out first. But so today I'm just gonna go to the junkyard. We'll make a video there, check it out. Then Saturday, when I get off of work, I'm gonna be going to Sacramento to go look at the wheels. He doesn't know if it's 4x114 or 4x100. So if they're 4x100, I'm gonna pick them up, of course, and then I'll be rocking, better looking wheels for the build I'm gonna do with this XB. And then if I make it back in time and it's not too late, then I'll be doing I actually gotta do like 3 videos. So I'll be doing the video on cleaning the engine bay. Then from that we'll be doing the detail on the inside of the XB. That will take me, hopefully I can do the engine bay tomorrow, because I know if I can do Sunday, the engine bay, it's literally going to take me 8 to 12 hours to do, and I'm going to probably start at like 5:30 in the morning, so just so it doesn't get so hot, and I can get as much as I can, and when it does start getting hot, the interior can dry from all the chemicals and the soap and everything. But yeah, that needs a lot of work. It's very, 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 very dirty in there. It was actually worse, I think, in that one compared to this one. It's gonna be, I gotta unbolt a lot of stuff to clean it. But well, I'm gonna make it shine for him. I want to make sure that my stepson's happy. And then just a heads up, I will be doing a video on the Lexus LS460 because I am going to sell it now. So I'm going to be selling the 460 VIP Lexus because I need the money, of course, and also I need the money to fix Benny's car, Stephon's car, which I need to fix the XB, I need to fix his Integra, pay off some bills for me and my wife, and then the extra money I'll be able to go to Seattle and road trip in this XB to Seattle to go see my daughter and, you know, hang out for the weekend with my daughter, because I haven't seen her in 2 years since I've, you know, been working and trying to get caught up on bills. So this is like the only way. And you know, a car's a car. That is my dream car, but at least I'm gonna get to go see my daughter, and I miss her a lot. So yeah, so that's what it's gonna be now. So let's go ahead and before this intro is ridiculously long, I'm going to see you guys at the junkyard. So sorry for the long intro. So road 19. If you guys are looking for a daily, we got a hatchback. It's already lowered too. We got a GS over here too. That LS is dope. People don't know those gold emblems are worth a lot. A GS. So I gotta go to row 19 for a 2005 Scion. Got my water bottle. It's 1, 2, 3. Convertible BMW, what? Rarely see these. These seats are dope too. Holy shit, is that SCR? Shut the fuck up, it is. Holy shit. Oh no, it's SE. I saw the wheels. Let's pop the hood. Oh, fuck, it's hot. You guys don't know, this is my favorite car. If it is a SCR. Nope, single cam. Alright, let me go find that XP. Alright, here it is. Yeah, I could have sworn I've seen this already. Those are dope wheels. Alright, so this one. So we got the headrest, that's what I need. This one's a stick too. Tight. So same year as his. All these formats. I mean, let me pop these off and check these out real quick. Got the headrest. And if you guys are looking, all the wheels. They're all on here. Highlights are clean too. I'm pretty much gonna go look around and then I'm out of here. So just walking the whole yard. I'm actually trying to find like fender vents that I can cut and put something on mine as for styles. I know they come off like Escalades or American cars. But damn, this is supposed to be a good pick and pull, and they've got really good stuff that I need. If I see something tight, I'll record it, but it's not seeing anything at all, guys. Oh, that sucks. Page 22. The Prelude jacket. Looks like it was automatic. Yeah, well no. It's thick. Good. It's 9K wheels. Okay. This gear is missing, but it's 22. So I found the other one I was looking for. Got the passenger floor mat and the cover that I need. So Benny's car is pretty much complete now. So we are set. I don't see anything else. And then Was gonna grab a steering wheel, but it wasn't that great, and I think I'm gonna get the TRD one for him because I want to do a TRD build for his car. So let me pay for this and get out of here. What's in this one? This is what K20 what? Oh, J swap or J. Another J. Tegra, Matrix, C. And I've been taking these switches. I have to come back next weekend or this weekend for that. Alright. Let's get out of here. Alright, so I'm back. So this is Benny's car. You can see how dirty it is. It is filthy. And turns out he actually has the floor mats in the front. So, looks like I'm keeping that one for me. So what I got him was 2 headrests. He put it as a ashtray, but it's the fuse cover. Toyota emblem, and I got an extra one of these to pull, but this is actually okay. It's just the rod is bent inside. So it still works, but it's just bent. So I might be able to actually fix that. So I just gotta, there you go. There are locks. That sucks. But yeah, as you can see, it is disgusting. Filthy, filthy, filthy. There was one extra floor mat in the back that I needed, and it was there, so I might have to go back and grab that floor mat. Damn it. So I gotta pull and clean every single, like the center column. Look how dirty. This is dirtier than the bento box. So, and I gotta get a battery so I can pop this truck, refix that seal, as you can see it's crooked and water is leaking when you try to wash. And then I don't even know what he has in here. We'll find out when I detail this car. So, but yeah, let's, oh, it's missing a cover. I gotta get one of those now. Damn it. All right, so I'm gonna throw these headrests in. Oh, and actually, I got this for myself. I got a mini tripod. I had it there, and this will be perfect. I can take it to work, and it still has two lengths, so I can carry this with me wherever I go instead of taking my giant one. So let me go ahead and put the headrest in. This first one. Oh, I need to get it all the way down. So I gotta make another key for him. Grab the other one. Oh, it's sweating out here. Alright, so now everything's basically complete except that. And this cover, gonna have to get one. And then we'll get everything cleaned. I'm going to debadge his car because we're going to be running the JDM BB with Toyota. So I have a bigger one that Chris is going to give me. So I might run this one or the bigger one about this size. I got to look at the JDM ones. And then this, I might have to replace this because they built some kind of bracket to hold it. So I mean, we'll see what's going on. But yeah, we'll get this going. I do like these taillights. I want a pair so I can do something with them. But I'm gonna give him my taillights. I'm gonna get the all cleared style, VIP style. So he'll get my headlights because I'm gonna get the clear models. And he's gonna get the 50/50 taillights on this as well. We'll have to figure out the bumper situation here. But I do plan on getting him the body kit. So let me throw this cover in. So this is what was missing here. And let's show you guys the engine that we're going to detail tomorrow after I pick up the wheels. So and as you can see, it is filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. But we're gonna use super clean and we're gonna get this all cleaned up. And then I'm keeping this grill, so I'm gonna actually take this off now. Not even put on. It's only a jacket. And then I'm actually gonna give Benny the BB grill because we're gonna BB the car out. So he's gonna get this grill. I'm gonna get this one. So I'm gonna take this off and basically Lexus this one out. Gotta clean it. But yeah, so we go ahead and put everything away, close up shop, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at work. So we'll have this car super clean for him. I'm gonna probably, maybe I'll do red carbon because he said he wants red for the car. We'll see. So it's originally white. I do like the white engine bay. That's gonna look good. We're gonna wrap the car. I'm gonna probably get red carbon wrap all the silver accents, take out this stereo, get a double or the big screen like mine. We'll probably, I gotta figure out this right here, like it won't shift unless you press this button, so I need to figure out what's up with that. Other than that, I do got 4 stock wheels for Scion, and I do have 4 hubcaps. So I might just repaint those hubcaps silver, throw them on, but don't have to because he's gonna get the fake TEs. So we'll get this all cleaned up, and then I'll give him my seat once I order my seat and the rails for my car. But yeah, so damn, he got all the floor mats, dude. Those are expensive. But yeah, all right guys, so let me edit this video and drop it today, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow when we pick up the VIP wheels for this car, and what's it called, and we'll detail the engine. So I'm gonna bust out all the super clear product and make it shine, and then we'll do the headlights on this car too, because if you can see, they're faded. So we'll get it going. But yeah, all right y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.